Guys, I said no. There is lot of questions. After questions, customer handling related questions also there. Customer handling related. So the questions are is like there is a angry customer. Last time I got a problem with my Axis Bank related issue because my account is Axis Bank. I got a new credit card, so I got a lot of time to calls for it. Please take this credit card, upgrade the credit card, or take the credit card, upgrade the credit card. Only these two calls, or a personal loan calls. I said like there is two credit cards are there. One is a Flipkart credit card. I tried to apply it so many times, but it is not happened properly. And second one is Amazon ICICI card. So these two are we will get a lot of cashback. So that's why I applied a card for Axis Bank, Flipkart Axis Bank, because I got a call from the Axis Bank person only, directly person, and you got a pre-approved offer is there, so you can take it. So I asked, address is different, address may be different, the address is same or different. She said, yeah, as per your account address is there, and this is a different address is there. So I said, change my address. She said, I changed your address. You'll get address card on your home. It indicates. So it went to the different address. They're from Pune address. It went to the Pune address. The guy called me and asked me, sir, I didn't find your office. I mean, so where are you located? I identify his language and then I ask, where are you? Are you in Pune or what? He said, yes. And then I'm not in a Pune, so people send like that. Even I change the address. It's okay, sir. I will forward. I will send back this card to Bombay main office. Okay. Then tension is started. Tension started. What is the tension? So card is issued, and it is delivered, and it is returned. The tension started. So then I called to the Axis Bank people. I raised the complaint. So nothing, no response in it. Okay. So they said the address is on. I called even. I recharge some amount because if you want to call to that 1800 number, you have to pay the amount. Okay. Not with our unlimited calls. Unlimited calls won't work there. So you have to put a normal money, not unlimited calls. Free calls won't work there. So what happened? So it is connected after so long time. Then I spoke with the person. He not able to do anything. Again, I done a call and nothing changes. Okay. So only there are question is to sell the product, not to solve the problem. I got angry, frustrated. Finally, one person said, better to go to nearest branch. So they will ask for a dispatch to your home. So they will change your address. So I took a Aadhaar card, everything, and went. And I told everything to a person. Okay, the guys asked like, what is your issue? I told I called so many times, and this is the what they said. And the guy said that this is the what we won't do. This is we don't involve in credit card. Okay, and address changing. So and there is a lady. So she is finally understand problem, not completely, but understand the problem. So what she done? So she's very busy. She's the only one customer care person. Okay, help desk person. So finally, she's trying to change my address. So I given a document, means scanning, everything is completed. It took a time, and I returned to home. And afternoon, I got a call from that branch manager. He said, your address is not updated properly. Back on Monday, because tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, so we don't work. So come back on a Monday morning. Okay, so then I went to the Monday. So then it is not uploading, some problem, some other problem. Finally, lot of frustration. Finally, it is fixed. Okay, guys. So every issue. So why I'm telling this issue? Every issue there is a solution. I got it recently that my life insurance related, not life insurance, health insurance related. So that is not a renewal process, some breakage process, some other process. So people who want to sell, the people sell the product, but not take care of that product, not given proper information to the customers, not given a solution to the customers. Maybe immediate solutions. Maybe level 0 not solving the problem. So level 0 people take the complaint, not given a solution immediately. So by generally customer will get a frustration. Customer will get a frustration, right? Angry. They will shout. They don't listen what you are asking, not you are saying. What you are asking, what you are saying, what is your present sense, they don't do it. So first point is frustrated or an angry customer. Frustrated or an angry customer. Rude customers. Three type is there. Frustrated, angry. Third one is rude customer. Rude. Okay. So they won't talk anything. Okay. I'm not talking about a public also, guys. Again, so when I'm telling frustrated customer, so you may think, sir, public customer we have to handle. That is, I'm not talking about any person. He may be working in your organization like an internal customer, or maybe as a client, maybe as an external body. But whatever it is a customer only. For example, in our office, Sai processor get a lot of frustration towards the service desk people sometimes, because he know the complete process and all, but this service desk people sometimes what they do, they will give a priority to the priority one. They don't give any priority to normal issues. Okay, so normal issues like we can check later. Okay, for example, I'm not getting internet. That is a normal issue. Server is down, big issue, right? Higher priority, server is down, or maybe some remote connection issue, or maybe some network slowdown, or maybe some IP related issue. Okay, so network and connectivity issue is there. Sorry. So priority changes. So whenever the priority, so the priority, what it will do, higher priority or emergency things, people try to complete that one. So meanwhile, normal priority, normal small issues, those customers or users will get a frustration. Another hand, I told you one example, right? So whenever I given a complaint, so the complaint management, so that's immediately not solve my problem. They keep pending, or maybe they are transferring. I have to go to multiple locations. Okay. Luckily for me, it's okay. Distance is there, so I can go to Axis Bank easily. But if it is a same thing happened in a last year, so what will happen? To nearest Axis Bank is, I don't know. I am in a Pune last year this time. Okay, nearest Axis Bank is somewhere in located. Next one, these people don't understand my language. I don't understand their language problem, right? And traveling. So how do you travel? It is a corona time, so you cannot travel publicly. So that is another problem. The credit card people want to sell a lot of credit card kind of stuff. So I told my address proof is not correct. I'm not updated my proper address proof, either any of the address proof, either my Pune address or a Visakhapatnam address. both addresses are not correct in order. So which address I have to give, which address proof I have to provide. Okay, they will tell some stories. That is bullshit stories only, because once you are once you submit your Aadhaar card, so obviously they will take a Aadhaar card address, they'll send it. Whatever the address you are given, so they don't mind. Sometimes, so sometimes they will put some address. If it is some all wrong is in there, so it will go somewhere. Okay, so follow right. So like this. One is issue. Once issues occur, it is not solved immediately. Frustrated customer. Why customer is frustrated? That is you have to understand. Issue is not solved immediately. An issue is there, not solved immediately, or it's same issue is coming again and again. Same issue is coming again and again. It's like a incident become problem. Okay, so lose connectivity. So, now network is working. After some time, network is not working. So we have a problem in our area is with Zio. Okay, so Geo is now become very slow connectivity, poor connectivity problem. Okay, because in my area, so Geo become a very popular, because for 30 Mbps also you take a 30 Mbps subscription, you'll get a full channels. So a lot of people want to watch a TV, not other things, right? So internet is mainly useful for learning things. So many are there. Of course, now it is a OTT related. So internet for a TV purpose, internet for watching YouTube videos and other things watching. Okay, so point is, so I got little frustrated. I got actually ACT is there, still there. Okay, ACT. So last year what happened? It is not connecting properly. It's down on the line. So morning it is working, afternoon not working, or afternoon working, morning not working, or maybe full 2-3 days it is not working. Sometimes connected, sometimes not connected. Either it is very slow. Okay, so what happened? It is we got frustrated. So, but luckily we thought we will pay for both internet. So why we should we pay for only one? If power is gone, internet the ACT network is also gone. So we inquire. So Geo is, even the power is gone, Geo is stays. So usually in Andhra Pradesh, in our area, so power cut is more frequent. Whether it is summer or winter, whatever it is, power cuts are common. And that if any rain is there, power cut. Summer is there, power cut. Winter is there, why people are required ACs and are power cut. Okay, so everybody having a backup supply nowadays. So it is like even a power cut also somewhat been required a internet connectivity. So we take a Geo. Now Geo also not working properly. Frustration. Point is why customer will get frustration. So understand, issues occur, not solved immediately, are not given clear cut communication. Okay, clear cut idea, clear cut solution. Okay, or frequent occurring of issues. Frequent occurring of issues. I took a ACT, issue, there always an issue. Frustration. Next, extra burdens means what I am using a service from the service provider. Now I have to pay extra, so then I will get a low quality service. I pay 5 rupees extra, so I'll get a better quality. I pay 10 rupees, I'll get a low quality than earlier services. That is another frustration. Cost is more like earlier I worked in one organization, so they have taken some Tata related internet. Cost is very high, quality is very poor, very poor. Still they are using a very old technologies, very poor internet connection. And that too, earlier, means when I joined that time, 2014-15 time, so earlier days, internet is good. So everybody, including mobile phones, laptops, everybody is connected. Students also use internet. Downloads, one guy downloaded almost like he's also a trainer. He was also a trainer in that organization that time. He downloaded movies, he downloaded games, everything. Okay, 5 GB, 10 GB daily, almost to 5 GB data he downloads daily. Okay, you put a laptop, connect, download. I don't know what happened suddenly. The guy is also left, like, okay, and I don't download in that places. I download in my home only, so I have a lot of time in home. Okay, even we didn't get internet properly. We got frustrated, and very importantly, that organization conduct a Pearson VUE examinations, like a Microsoft examination. Even I have done the Microsoft certification in that institute only. Like my MCSA 2012 completed there only, and another certificate also. Okay, so internet is important. If internet is down or slow down, disconnectivities occurs, paper loading, questions loading will get a problem, final submission will get a problem, and lot of problems are there. So okay, one lead to another lead. So I am taking internet service because of internet service quality is poor. My examination is become first, right? So people come and pay amount for writing an exam. They are not able to submit exam. They are unable to open questions. Questions are not loading properly. So this is give complaint, service complaint. I am providing a examination service, but my internet service provider not giving me proper service. I am getting a problem. This is leads another frustration. Okay. So this is frustrated customers, angry customers. Angry customers also same as a frustrated customer, but rude customers are different, guys. Rude customers is wantedly rude people, wantedly good, and cross-questioning people, not questioning people. So cross-question types means some different type of questions they will ask. They'll ask like, I took these services, like this is a point. So I'm paying for this one, so I should get that one. Like this kind of people, questioning people are there. Another rudity is they don't give any respect, so they don't say even a hello. Even they'll use abusive language also. So you are a useless person. You are unable to do this small thing also. Okay. That different kind of dealing is there, guys. For every person, either it is a frustrated person or an angry person or a rude person. For this thing I am talking, first of all, yourself make sure calm. Do not shout at the customer. Customer is not a god, guys. That is a wrong direction. People are telling customer is not a god. Lot of people think customer is a god. No god, no gods. Customers are not gods. So we don't do puja for customer, right? So when customer came into the office, immediately come and sit and put a mala in it and put a one coconut, one harati, one agarbatti kind of stuff. Okay, so we don't put it. So that is a meaning is customer is not at all a god. Customer is a guest. Customer is a important person because of without a customers, there is no point of business. There is no point of business. So don't give, is not a customer. Give a respect to the customer as a person respect. How you give a respect to the person, give the respect to the person. Okay, give the respect to the customer. So just a mutual respect must be maintained. Yourself calm down. You have to make sure you have to calm down. 2 points. Calm down, give respectable speaking. Okay, speak with the name of the customer. Okay, don't use more informal words. Formal language only, use the formal language. Use the respectable language or a formal language. Formal language is, yeah, Mr. Akhilesh, Miss Akila, or Miss Pavani, or Mr. Yogesh, or Mr. Chandu. So like that, so you have to use word. Okay, you can use sir or not, that is your wish. Okay, no need to give sir for everyone, like Chandu sir, or Akila madam. So don't, please madam, please listen to me. No need to do that. So it's not required, exactly not required, but you can give basic respect, not submissive respect. Okay, give the person's respect. Use the formal language. Use the formal language, clear cut language. Okay, do not shout on the customer. Customer can shout on you, but no problem. You should not shout on it. And thorough listening to the customer. Very important, listening. In case this is called listening. Listening. Whatever it is, listen to the customer. So what are he's talking, listen to the customer, get the information from what he's talking, and slowly try to guide them. Okay, listen to the customer, guide the customer to explain what is the problem exactly happened. Explain. The customer has to explain what is the problem. I given a complaint, guys. Okay, so my system is not working. I am not getting internet. I open an application, it's not opening properly. For example, I open some application. For example, I'm open Paint. Okay, so maybe I will open Excel. Okay, I have opened an Excel. No response on the screen. Maybe after some time response is there, but it is closed automatically. Okay, but he's not telling like that. He will tell how customer will tell not working. What is not working? System not working, or application not working, or internet not working? Which is not working? He said not working. We don't know. Okay, okay, so you have to guide them. So what you seen on your system? You know, when my sister is working in a call center, that is a different point. Call center is different, service desk is different, guys. Try to understand. Okay, so sometimes customer can be a non-technical person. For example, you are working in an organization, the organization also deal with the accounting. So accounting management. So IT, one of the computer part, and IT. So this is my client company is a accounting company, for example, or banking company. That guy don't know about anything computer. They know the application, but they don't know the computer. He cannot explain you what is the problem. IT guy is there, maybe he will explain you, but he's a non-IT person, no technical background, who only know how to use the application. Like I open a Excel sheet, or a Tally application is there, like a SAP based applications are there. A lot of accounting softwares are available. CRM is not working. Okay, customer relationship management, CRM, Salesforce. Salesforce is a CRM. Okay, it's a cloud based. Login issues. So they are telling whatever their question it is. You have to ask the questions one by one. Sir, what is the thing you are able to see on the screen? You know, when you say desktop, what is the meaning of desktop? This is called a desktop, right? This is called a desktop. So what are the things you can able to see on your desktop? The guy said, I'm using laptop. Okay, I'm using tablet. Okay, it's like a product based thing. Okay, I'm using laptop. I'm using not a desktop. Okay, what you see on monitor, there is no monitor. I have a computer, but there is no monitor. So this is the type of people are there. So sometimes people, their background, so their background is not exactly a computer background. Not even they don't mind about what it is. Okay, so what we have to do? So you have to check what is the thing in front of you. I said exactly in my front of me, not only my laptop, there is a mirror is also there, and there is a table is there. So I have a table in front of me. Okay, so double click. So what is the meaning of double click? Left click, right click. Okay, so guys, when you are telling an answer for all these things, So any issue is solved, want to solve it. Give the step-by-step solution. Next, before giving a solution, understand what exactly the customer is getting. What exactly customer is getting. You're asking a question, maybe customer may not understand. So for example, as last time I received a problem from my cousin sister. She is having a Windows 7 laptop, very old laptop it is, but still working. Okay, so I check it, so it is Windows 7. Later I got a doubt that is 32-bit or 64-bit. It's i3 processor, but some i3 models are 32-bit, 64, two type of models launched. I got a doubt, so then I checked it 64-bit or 32-bit myself only. If I ask my sister, maybe, may not be, she knows. She may know, she may not know. So why should I put a more thing on her? So I checked it myself, like a 32-bit or 64-bit. So based on that, I go through some OS related things. So I installed a Windows 10 in here PC. So thing is, right, customer may not know everything about his situation, but you have to thoroughly ask the questions. So what are the things you seen? So okay, restarting the computer or a power on the computer. Okay, what is the thing you seen on the screen? What is the response time? Which application you open? So based on the issue, you have to ask the questions and understand how the response. Based on that, give him a step-by-step solution. Step-by-step solution. I open a run like this. Still, a lot of people don't know how to open the run. Even they are came from the computer background, they don't know how to open the run. So people using from starting days onwards, like XP, Vista 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. So they know computer run command, that is not a big deal. We are in a Windows 10 or Windows 7. People just click on a search bar. If I said open run, people type run and they will open the run. Okay, in that one they will type CMD. I open directly. Okay, so some are like a shortcut, some are like a habitual shortcuts, not required a very important shortcuts like recording things or a computer shortcuts book is there. So no need of that many shortcuts. Basic shortcuts are important. For example, if I press Windows E, so it will open File Explorer. It opens File Explorer. Windows L, it locks my screen. Windows L, it locks my screen. Okay. For example, Alt Control Delete. Alt Control Delete is one option is there. Okay. Alt Control Delete is there. Alt Control is there. Alt Control Enter Backspace. There are so many are there. Okay. So basic things you must know. Basic shortcuts, we should know it. Basic run commands, we should know it. Basic search commands, we should know it. If I said open the control panel, so people search for where is the control panel. Okay, where it is located. So better to know how to open the control panel. So you have to guide other person to tell. So practice any troubleshooting question, take some troubleshooting questions. Even I will try to share some troubleshooting questions related to the customer. So form the points one by one point, like if this issues occur, how to guide the customer, and how to solve the problem. So this is the thing, guys. So again, I'm telling there is in this first point, I'm telling the first question is how to handle the angry or frustrated customers. Angry customers, frustrated customers, rude customers. This is the first question. First part I'm talking. Okay, angry, frustrated, rude customers. Important is rude customers, you cannot do anything because there are like that only. Okay, angry and frustrated. Why customer is getting angry or frustrated? The thing is, first of all, understand you got a problem. The problem is he didn't get any solution, immediate solution, and problem is not solved immediately. That is the first thing. The second is issue is occurring again and again. Issue is occurring again and again. Okay. And third one is the initially the person who is contacted, which person is contacted, either you or some other, not given proper reply, mishandled. He got mishandled. That's why he is getting frustrated or angry. I told my scenario. You may have a lot of people will get certain kind of issues, right? You may went to the pani puri, so he didn't given proper onions. You ask onions, he didn't given onions immediately. You get frustrated. You didn't. The pani is not like a. The puri is got a punctured from bottom and top. Okay, not given extra puri. Okay, maybe you will get a frustrated customer. Okay, so but the way pani puri guy is handling you, that is the different point. But understand what is the frustration means. I think you understand pani puri example, except what I talked from since morning. Okay, pani puri is the best example for a customer handling. Okay, demand and supply. If I now only I got this idea. Next time when any batch I explain ITL also, I will explain pani puri idea. So people will understand ITL in a pani puri way. Service strategy is a identification of business, identification of service or business, plan, demand, finance, right? Finance. So demand is very high. At the corona time, no demand because of people unable to go outside. Corona lift. Okay, people don't worry about the corona spreading and also they want a pani puri. That's very important. Okay, so it connects everyone. Okay, so that is the ITL. So demand increased immediately. So 2 rupees extra charges for mineral water. Okay, so we there is a board like we use mineral water from the municipal tap. Okay, that is also better mineral water than mineral water can. Municipal water is better than any mineral water can. Okay, we use a mineral water, so extra charges. You want a roadside water, then less charge. You want a sweat, it's a double charges. Okay, so that is the demand. Design, so how puri should be there. What is the stuffing is required, what kind of stuffings are there. So service design, service transition, so make a pani puri and build a thing, release it, make it sure it is ready to give it to the customer, test it, make sure the taste is not completely weird. Okay, little weirdness should be there. Okay, little extra salt. Okay, either it's from your pani puri guy sweating or a direct salt. Okay, so then it is a service transition, build and deploy, give to the customer. So the customer is something issue is there. Okay, he didn't get so 5 puris he have to serve. So he got only 4. He will ask, or 1 puri got damaged. Then he will ask like, this puris got damaged. I eat anyway, but give me the puri. I give some masala puri. Take 2 plates extra masala puri is there. Okay. So that is business handling, SLA and SLM and BLM. So business level management, SLM, service level management. Service level management is unable to provide service as per the SLA. Business level management has to cheer up the customer and give extra benefits, give extra masala puri benefit, right? Extra onions, okay, more sweet or more salt, more spicy, extra spicy. Okay, so then that is improvement. So next time what is the betterment we will put it. So extra, like people are conscious about healthness, right? So people want a nut kind of stuff, or sprouts, like a sprout pani puri or a nuts pani puri. Okay. Dahi is a better way. So like a dahi puri is there. Okay, some save puri, whatever it is. Okay, oats puri. Yeah, maybe normal puri is not contain fiber in it. Better to make a pani puri with the oats. Continuous service improvement. Okay, so sell it for 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Okay, so health conscious. More salads inside. Broccoli puri. So this is a service ITL. This is how to explain ITL. Also got it. Get ITL definition is very important. File life cycle is important. Each life cycle, one example is important. Okay, and service desk. What is service desk? Is compulsory. Already I shared the PPT. If you want, I will share the service desk. 2 PPTs are there. I will share the both things. Guys, if I forget by night, by like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so please give me one message in a group. Sir, this is we required, like this particular PPT is required, or particular video is required, or particular material is required, or particular question answer is required. I will give you, even if I forget, or maybe if you required something which is not in the existing material, I will give you, no problem, guys. Okay. And the definitions like event, alert, incident, problem,
alert, problem,
yeah,
request.
you guys remember? Very good, very good. So, event, alert, incident, problem, request. Very good. Change. Last time change. Very good. You guys remember, that is a good thing. Okay. So remember those things also. Yeah. Here is how to handle the customer part. I hope you got this point also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 things I taken now. Angry, rude, we can't do anything because rude people are always a rude. Only thing is you have to be calm and let him speak, and what is we can able to do it. So why I jump to ITL and Pani Puri it is. So here it is, SLA is always play the vital role, because rude customers are trying to convey you with the language, means some rude language, to do what you should not do it, because you should not cross the SLA. Service level agreement is a mutual contract between service provider and the customer. It's a mutual contract, or a formal document. It is a formally noted document kind of stuff. It's a document or a contract between service provider and a customer. For example, as I said, ACT. He said, I will give you 50 Mbps internet. 50 Mbps internet speed. 50 Mbps internet speed. So I should get a 50 Mbps internet speed. And he said up to 50 Mbps. So I will get a 40 or 50 or 45, 30, 35 or 20, 10, 2 Mbps also. Sometimes disconnection is also possibilities there, right? But I ask my person, give me a streaming media platform also. Give me some OTT with this price. They can't give. Okay, because what is their agreement? Their agreement to give internet service up to 50 Mbps. Okay, up to 50 Mbps. And what are the rules? Our rules are there, are applicable. That's it. Okay, SLA. So always we have to stick to SLA, means what are the services you are providing, what are the supporting you are providing, you should give, compulsory you should give. But if customer is asking extra benefits other than SLA, you don't need to do it. Only thing is, if you are not sure about it, transfer the call to business. Business people will handle that one. As a service desk, you need to handle that kind of additional request. You have to forward the request to business units. So they will, what are their contacts, if they want to give, provide, to get a business from them, more business from them. So they may give. Okay, you cannot give like, no problem, sir, I will give you another 20 Mbps internet speed, or another streaming media, or another pen drive you will give it, or some gifts you will get it, or maybe way of billings, way of finger billings. That is not happening. Okay, so SLA means service level agreement. You must provide a service to the customer as SLA. You want to give extra, and you need to below that one also. Like I said, I will give you 50 Mbps, but I will give you only 10 Mbps. Okay, I'm not sticking to SLA, right? So it should not be less, should not be more. That is important. Yeah. OLA, already I said I will explain this one, but last time I didn't explain. Okay, there is a one video is there. I think explained or not. I don't. OLA, operational level agreement. Operational level agreement between business unit and the developer IT team, business team and IT team. Both are in the same organization. OLA within the same organization. SLA, service provider and a customer. OLA, same organization, but business unit and IT employees. IT employees. For example, my company is a software development company. So my business people went to a company, an organization, bring a one project to our company. So I am the employee. I said, no. Okay. I said, we don't develop. We will take this time. I would like this. We should not do it. So there is a contract. So business unit brought a project. Okay. Brought a project. So what is my duty? So we have to compulsory analyze the issue. What are their requirements? Design according to it. So gives a particular time period. Okay. For every life cycles. Okay. Gives us particular time period. So make sure how it is works. And so we have to tell this is the contract to the business unit. So within a 4 weeks, this phase 1 will completed. By first 4 weeks, we'll give you, within a 4 weeks, we'll give you working phase 1 project. Next, every 2 weeks, you will get a one update. So like within a 6 months to 1 year, the complete updated project you will handle with 6 months to 1 year. Okay, any changes after 6 months also will change it. Okay, finally, the final full-fledged product will give you support up to 1 year. This is the contract between IT developers and a business unit, or maybe there is an internet service provider company is there. Okay, so people who are working the IT team. So when new connection is requirement is there, so business units will handle that new requirements, verification of documents, collecting the money, and hand over to the IT team. So IT team has to give the connection, right? So business unit people within a 2 days you will get a connection, working connection, you will get it, full-fledged installation. What is the IT team do? So try to do it within the given a time period and make sure everything is working fine. So that is a business unit and the thing. So what is the contract between business unit? UC. UC is a underpinning contract. Underpinning contract. Underpinning. What is underpinning contract means? Already I told I am the Pearson view or a promoting examination center. I am maintaining this examination center. So for example, you want to write a IELTS, TOEFL, Microsoft examinations. Okay, MCSC, MCT, MS, like a Microsoft specialist examinations are there, right? Like are a CCNA examinations, Red Hat examinations. Okay. You want to write a Red Hat examination. Okay, Red Hat examination. So Red Hat is conducted by Red Hat only. So not by Pearson VUE. So Red Hat is conducted by Red Hat only. Like a Amazon examination, Azure examinations. So you want to write this examination, you have to write from the, okay, you have to go to examination center, or now we can able to write in online, but there is a Pearson VUE or a Promotic examination centers are there. Okay, international examinations mainly conducted by Pearson VUE or a Promotic examination center. I am maintaining examination center, but I have to take internet from internet service providers, right? ACT, Geo, or any other internet service, Tata, HCL. Lot of Ticona is one of the internet service provider. Very less customers, but maybe only for industry purpose. Okay. What happened? So that is a vendor. Who is a vendor? I am the Pearson VUE Promotic Center I am maintaining. Okay, and I took a internet connection from ACT, for example. So that is vendor. Okay, vendor or a supplier. Next, I brought a 10 computers from Dell computers. From Dell shop, I purchased Dell computers, 10 computers. So Dell is a supplier or a vendor. Okay, or maybe I purchase a Cisco routers, switches, hub, Cisco switches and routers. I purchase it from the Cisco company. Okay, or maybe some network supplier company, procurement company means, so what are the things I required for my organization, like a desktops, network components, network wiring kind of stuff, or switches, routers, wall mount kind of stuff, patch cables. These are all which is I purchase from an organization. So that is like I'm procuring from an organization. So there are suppliers I'm utilizing for my organization, right? So I'm the customer and there are supplier. It's like that. Okay. So UC is an underpinning contract between vendors or suppliers to the organization, like this. So here it is. Both are contracts. All are contracts only between service provider. Remember, service provider to customer. Okay. This is business unit. I am typing like this. Unit. So normally BU to the IT employees working in organization, right? So the business unit will take a projects or some customers, brought to some customer projects, clients, kind of stuff. IT employees make sure so they will fulfill customer requirement. Okay, so that is IT employees part. Underpinning contract, operational level agreement, SLA service level agreement, OLA operational level agreement, UC underpinning contract. So it is a contract between vendors, another one suppliers to organization. Okay, this is also very important. So I took only in single video. I talk about mainly 3 topics. One is how to learn the things freely. The second one is how to handle the different type of customers. One is frustrated customer, angry and rude customers. So how to handle that is a very important, guys. Important is you have to maintain calm. You never maintain a calm, that is different. You should not say calm down also. just maintain a calm. So let him speak. Let him speak. Try to understand what is his situation. Okay, then guide him to give a particular what is the issue properly, and exactly try to solve the problem, or a uh, properly given a proper contact. Okay, so proper contact, sometimes we got an issue, we call to call center. So what they will do, so they listen to everything and they forward to the other level. Again the guy will ask us, so what is your problem? So then frustration will come up. So don't do like that. So try to manage the customer with the particular solutions, or directly forward into higher. So tell the person, so this is the issue. Right. That's why we are creating ticketing. So another question is, guys, ticketing. What is ticketing? What is ticketing? Ticketing contains a information about a issue. Information about issue. What is an issue? What kind of issue it is? What is an issue? What kind of issue it is? What is the impact of issue? Already I told. Please watch the BMC remedy, the BMC Helix ITSM video I shared already. So there I explained what is impact and all, and how the ticketing environment is there. You can log in very easily, guys. You can log in very easily and try to practice at least once or twice. So then you will understand what is the meaning of this, how to create a ticket, how to read the ticket and all, how to assign the ticket. The terminologies you can easily see. P1, P2, P3, P4 is there. Like a P1 means higher priority, P4 means lower priority. Okay, so understand the ticketing means it's a simple understanding of about an issue. It contains when it is happened, the date of report, date and time of report. So it contains a date and time of report. So when it is occur, where it is occur. Okay, location of the, who given a complaint, who is the customer or a client given this particular issue, location of the thing. Okay, I will write down. So what it contains, date and time. Ticket contains date and time, when it is occur. So when, based on what report, depends upon the report. So now I got a call and now I got a mail. Okay, how you got it, that is also important, right? So that is date and time. Okay, so where it is occur, when it is occur, kind of stuff. Location, where means location. Name, customer name, location, exactly say name and location. So we don't require to specify the location, the customer name and location. Callback method. So how to contact the customer again, how to contact the customer. Okay, category. So what category? What is the category? It is a system related. Is it related to desktop? Okay. Desktop or laptop related issue. Desktop or a laptop related issue. Network related issue. Network or a internet related issue. Okay. It is a email related issue. Login related issue. Okay. Server related issue. Application related issue. Okay, what kind of issue it is, you have to categorize. Depends upon what is the that category. What happened? It is disconnected or what? Am I connected, right? Categorize the issue. Okay, so describe. What I'm typing also I don't understand. Describe the issue. So what is the issue? Okay, and again, in issue is what type of issue it is. Is it an incident? type or a category. Type or a category type. Is it an incident or is a problem? Very less time problem is there. Is it a service request? Is it a change related? Okay. Also, there is a source where you would get, how you got it, source is also important. Source is a direct customer complaint or alert system. Help desk type of kind of stuff or calls. Okay, by just making a telephone call or alert system or monitoring. What is a monitoring, guys? Monitoring means check the status of computers, network, servers, computers, networks, servers, applications, status, performance also comes under monitoring. Status and performance comes under monitoring. So what is your infrastructure, guys? Servers, network components like routers, switches, storage devices, right? So these are all your computers. These are all Wi-Fi's, modems, routers. These are all comes under your infrastructure, right? Plus other infrastructure, other parts, physical environment like ACs, cooling systems, backup power supply, generators. Okay, physical infrastructure. This is like a entrance kind of stuff, physical access related kind of things, security related. These are all your part of your organization only. So depends upon your work. So either you monitor this server related components, means servers, data centers, routers, switches, firewalls, your cable connections. Okay, that is one part. Client means people who are working in their systems, their connectivity. That is second part. Third part is environment, physical environment, physical environment access, physical access, monitoring. So what is the monitoring is checking status and performance. Simply say checking status and performance of infrastructure like a servers, data centers, or maybe routers, switches, firewalls, storage devices, like that. So computers, regular computers are then computers. Okay, so these are all monitoring. Okay, check the status and performance. So different type of tools we are also using. So you are getting alert from the monitoring tools. You're getting an alert from the monitoring tools, or you just by call. Customer is telling you through email. You will send an email, call, or a directly will come and give the things. So source of this thing. So where it is occur, location is important, and who is the customer kind of stuff also. Callback method. So categorize what kind of issue it is. Describe. Impact. What is the impact is there? It is impact is a low impact is there. Urgency impact is there. So there is a impact levels, priority levels. Priority levels are there. So higher priority, lower priority kind of is there. Okay, impact, priorities. Almost words are same, guys, impact and priority, but difference is also there. Okay. almost a nearby impact it is. Yeah, flagship is there, like a red flag, green flag, yellow flag, blue flag, kind of stuff. Okay, so these are the basic things, status and thing of the ticket. Okay, is it a open status or a closed? Starting is open, the closed, not yet open, reissued. Again, it is reissued to someone, or escalated. Is forward to someone. Okay, it's escalated or a forwarded. Escalated or a forwarded. Sometimes you escalate. Escalate means you send it to the up. Okay, or waiting for permission, or a confirmation. Do something, you need to confirm it or take a permissions. So this is a different type of status is there. Okay, so I add only few. There's a few more things are there, like a documenting kind of stuff. Few more things are there, but at least understand, guys, what is the ticketing. Ticketing, in the ticket you will describe, in the ticket you describe about an issue. Exactly say ticket. What is a ticket means? We describe about the issue. About the issue. The issue can be an incident, or maybe a change, or a service request, like that. Issue can be. Important is when it is occur, where it is occur, who asking for this one, who asking that for this one, how do you know about it, how do you know about the issue, like a source, how to contact back to that from the requester to request, how to contact the requester. Okay, so describe the issue, describe what is an issue. Okay, so describe the issue. Impact of the issue. Sometimes incident is occur. For example, if a computer is not working, impact is single. Switch is not working. Switch is not working. It is connected to 10 systems or 20 systems. Big impact. A switch is connected to another switch, and other through that one, other switch is getting internet. Network connectivity. I have a switch. I connected to some computers as well as other switches. Other switches also getting a internet from my switch. My switch is down. What is impact? Lot of systems, like a almost like a, there is a 30, 40 or maybe a 60 computers not getting network. Impact is increased. Okay, next. So only single wire, but it is connected to a server. Impact is, urgency is increases. Impact is less, but priority is very high. Okay, so single system, less impact, less priority. Less impact, less priority. Switch is down, more impact, moderated priority. Moderated priority. Okay, moderated priority, not less priority, moderated priority. A server connectivity problem. Server cable connection is problem. High impact. Okay, sorry, low impact. Low impact directly, the area of impact is very less, but it is very priority, very important priority. So then understand the impact and priorities depends upon the incident is occur, issues occur. Okay, like this. Okay, so what is kind of issue? And once issue is occur, you created a ticket. So once issue is occurred, you received about an issue, you received information about issue. Okay, you received information about issue, you create a ticket. What are the things in the ticket? These are the examples of content of a ticket. Okay, once you are escalated this ticket, okay, once you are given the ticket, so then ticket status will be changes. So someone check the tickets, someone open the ticket means it's a open ticket. Still not completed. Open ticket is open means the status is open means so problem is not solved. Problem is not solved. Ticket is closed means problem is solved or not, we don't know, but ticket is closed. That's it. Okay, open, closed. Okay, solved. Solved is different. Solved and closed is different. Sometimes not solved but closed. Problem is not solved. Problem is not solved but closed. You have to reissue it. Maybe you require to escalate it. You forward it. Problem is you closed. So whatever you forward the issue and you close this issue from your side. So other person will open. Or you are waiting for a permission. Ticket is open and you are waiting for getting some permission. So then you will do it, and once it is completed, you close it. Okay. Related documents. Related the issue related any documents, knowledge base. Knowledge base, KEDB, known error database, kind of stuff. So this is the another question, guys. This is important. So finally, how to handle the customers. Okay, that is one point I told. Second, I told about Pani Puri example with the ITL part. Yeah, why ITL is ITL part. So again, compulsory check. What is an ITL? IT infrastructure library. It provides practical no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, designing, and IT support for a business. Okay, so this is ITL. Service in a 5 life cycle: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, service continual, service improvement. Next question is what is service desk? Okay, and the things, what is event, what is alert, what is incident, what is problem, what is
Service
change.
change.
Yeah, very
Service
good.
request.
Very good. Why am service request? So basic, what are these definitions? What is a service desk? Single point of contact. Single point of contact. Don't forget that one. What is the meaning of single point of contact is there? It's a single point of contact means between there is another thing, sort of sympathy, empathy kind of stuff is there. That is I didn't go, but single point of contact between customer and IT employees mainly. Okay, and also we discuss small part of SLA, service level agreement, OLA, operational level agreement, UC, underpinning contract. Okay, it is already, I think I defined in a PPT. Otherwise, I will give you the definition in WhatsApp. So I will forward some WhatsApp questions and answers. Means direct answers are there. Okay, so go through. That is very easy in a chat box anyway. Instead of open a document, it is very easy to go through it. So I'll keep sending. So based on the questions and answers. Like customer handling thing is there, but this is a customer handling. There is a lot of questions are there. I told only few questions. Okay, and what is a ticket? What is simply a ticket? What is monitoring? What is ticketing? This is another very frequently asked question in interviews. Okay, guys. So what you will do? So I took a lot of lengthy class, almost like a more than 1 hour. Okay, so it's more than 1.5 hours. But I covered few new, few older. Okay, mixed part. So next one we'll see. Actually, I want to talk about Windows 10 services, yeah, performance tuning part, and small troubleshooting things. Yeah, that is after break. We will do it. Come back at 12:30. Take a 10 minutes break. So, and if issue is occur, how to talk in the this manner also important. Means how to from customer reporting to solving and SOP manner. So that is also very important. Already last class I explained this one. What is SOP? Standard operating procedure. I given 6 things in the SOP. Please check that one also. What is SOP? What are those things? Service troubleshooting model. Okay, what is SOP? It is nothing but a troubleshooting standard operating procedure, which is nothing but a step-by-step process to solve our issue or installing or designing or doing some work, step-by-step process. Okay, so in the troubleshooting model, we have to identify what is an issue. Okay, so first one is we have to identify what is an issue. What is an issue? So second one is, okay, so probable causes, why we are getting. First one is identify the issue. Second one is, okay, why I'm not typing. Why I'm not typing? Not only unable to type, that is one scenario, but is why I'm not typing, guys. Memorizing is important. I am also practicing. Just I am telling you how to practice to remember the things. Okay, how to practice to remember things. You practice like this. You read it. For reading, it is useful. For remembering, empty is very important. Empty. Okay. So what is an empty thing? So completely blank screen. Either one dot or one some symbol to just for killing your nervousness. Small nervousness is there now. So that nervousness will be to remove. You can put 1, 2, or maybe one some small dot or small point like this. Okay, like this for just for a to killing your nervousness. Because of in an interview, you have to speak directly. There is no notes in front of you to read it, right? So obviously, so you cannot read it. You should not read it. You can read it, but you should not. You should read it, right? So you have to tell an answer directly. So what you have to do? Take a question and don't put anything in front of you. So put a question in your mind. So take a question and speak to your blank screen. Then it is becoming more habituated. Speak outside. I'm speaking like you can also speak like that. So that will give you thing. Okay. So first identify the issue, establish the probable cause. Why I'm getting this issue. Third one is test your theory. Test your theory. So how to fix this issue? How to fix this? So if you do this one, so the problem will solve. So and you won't get another problem, another kind of problem, or maybe same problem. Okay, so problem will be solved. Test your theory. And fourth one is implement. Implement it. So try to implement it. So try to implement what is the thing you think problem will solved by that issue. Okay, so implementation. What is the fifth one? What is the fifth one? So make sure take a preventive causes. So you should not get a issue again. You should not get a issue again. That is important. You should not get a issue again. That is the fifth one. What is the sixth one? Is document finding. So what is the issue? Why it is occur? What is the issue? Why it is occur? And what is the possibility of occurrence? So why? So what is the issue? Why it is occur? And what kind of solution we made to solve the problem. What are the preventive measures we have taken so then problem won't work, so that issue won't come again. So you have to put all these things into your document. Again. So what is SOP? Standard operating procedure. It is a troubleshooting model. To do any task, you have to follow a step-by-step process. The step-by-step process is nothing but standard operating procedure. In troubleshooting, first one is identify the issue. Second one is what is the possible causes, okay, or probable causes of the issue. Okay, why this issue is occur. So that is a different type of things will come up, right? So why we are getting. Test your theory. So is because of this you are getting this kind of issue, and this is the solution we have to make it. So then problem will solve. Test your theory. So fourth one is do it and make sure it is running, working fine. So that is implement the solution. What is the fifth one? Take the preventive measures. So you should not get an issue again. Either this issue or other issue, you should not get it because of this issue and as well as a solution. What is the sixth one? What is the issue? Document about what is an issue, what is the why it is occur, what is the issue, why it is occur, what is the solution you are given, what is the solution you are done, what are the preventive measures you have done, put it in one single document. So that is called a SOP model. See, this is like a practice 2-3 times, guys. Take 1, 2, 3, like movie actors type only. Take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4, take 5. Okay, so why I'm telling like that is very simple. When you are practicing, either it is a communication or a technical skills, technical questions you are practicing, communication skills, tell me about yourself, tell me about your village, tell me about your background. Different questions also there. For example, you are from a non-technical background, or you are from some other technical background like a civil background, or you are from the BCom background, or maybe you are from the mechanical background. So they ask you are from the mechanical, why you come to this service desk? It is IT field and you are from the mechanical. Are you already CSC? You have done some programming. So it is a completely not IT related. Okay, it is a service desk. You are a computers background. Why can't you go for a development? Why you come to this service desk? So you have to practice ready answer, multiple answers. So you should not give same answer for everybody. Should not give same answer, right? It is become by hearted answer. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to create a new answer for that, and you have to choose your answer. Where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years? You have to think one process. So I want to become a network engineer. I want to become a cloud expert. I want to become a data scientist. I want to become something. To become that one, I want to become a data scientist. What to do, right? I'm a current position. This is 2022. As a fresher, I joined. So this is a profile is service desk. But I want to see myself in 5 years as a cloud expert or maybe a data scientist. Data scientist, that is nowadays artificial intelligence, machine learning, okay, data science, Python, cloud. These are all subjects are there. So you can tell I am applying for a university post-graduation program in some university, IIT Roorkee. Okay, so that program will take at least 1 year. So I will learn these technologies and I will practice thoroughly. So then I apply for that particular position or in a database related or a machine learning. I'm practicing more coding kind of stuff. So then I will go into job I will secure my job in the data science related or a cloud related, like that. You have to prepare an answer, not on spot answer, guys. That to people who are having a little poor communication, not very poor anyway, not very poor people anyway, not there here except me. Okay, so the point is, some people, whether you are very good at communication skills or not, but at the time of in interview, everybody face basic nervousness. Be preparedness is very important. That's the point I want to tell, but I kill your 10 minutes break. Okay, take another 10 minutes. Come back in at 12:40, guys. 12:40 or yeah, 12:40. Just I will give you a small review about things and we'll take off today. Okay, I keep speaking. People left. No.